What is going on, everybody? It is Fitz Miller back here with another video. Let's go down to the garage so I can show you something. Skyline, non-existent, nowhere to be found. Took it back the next day to the shop to get it realigned. I went and picked it up later that afternoon, pulled it off the rack. He pulled 20 feet forward, bam, wow, did the same thing. So we jack it up, and I gotta show you this. Jacks it up, he grabs the wheel, clunk, 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 clunk. And I'm like, bro, you can't make this up. So my lower ball joint, sauced, gone, non-existent. Thankfully, those were only like 20 bucks. I have 2 of those already on the way from GK Tech. As far as my water pump, I did already order the water pump, the belt, the other timing components. Isaac and I are gonna knock that out. Oh my gosh, dude, it'll end eventually. It just does not seem like it this second. So that's all for the Skyline. As far as the wagon, we got some work to do. And by me, I mean the shop I'm taking it to Monday for a quote. If I'm gonna keep this thing and I'm gonna drive it every day, and I wanna like literally drive into the ground. Like I wanna hit 300, 400,000 mile club. If we're gonna do that, I want this to be comfortable. So we're taking it in next Monday. I need to get all my windows fixed, whether that's the window motor, the regulator, I'm not sure yet. That's what they're figuring out at the shop. I also need my heat and AC to work. I don't wanna have to jump it with a piece of wire and have it possibly catch on fire. I don't wanna have to deal with any of that. I wanna turn on the switch and I wanna have the heat and AC work. I need to have all the vents work. I also need to figure out whatever that shutter is in the front left. I feel like it's the spacer. They're gonna diagnose that when they get to it. After that, we're gonna move on to swapping the hatch, fixing a couple other little things, and then respraying this thing. I want the wagon to be gorgeous. We gonna hit 300 club, 100%. We are gonna be working on the wagon today. Unfortunately, we're gonna have to bring it into the garage, even though it's a really nice day. They're blowing leaves, and it's really annoying. We're gonna fix the seat twist and try to fix my door as well. I'll show you. So this is the first thing we're going to be fixing. As you guys can see, the seat is leaning to the left. This shouldn't be too hard since I've done it before. Let's get right into it. We're going to start by unbolting the back of the seat so we can lean it forward and have access to those couple motors. At the base of the seat rails, there's going to be 2 12mm that we're going to take out so we can flip up the seat. The front of this seat is held on by little hooks. We're gonna go ahead and slide the seat back so we can push it forward off of those hooks. We're literally just gonna push the seat forward and pop it out of these hooks. Almost. There we go. Now we're gonna lean it back so we can get to the motors. You can take the seat out, you don't have to. The bottom motor here is the one we are gonna be messing with. So we first have to pull out this little black wire from that little metal piece, and then we're gonna trim it and put it back in. You can't see it, but I heated up the little rubber part and we got that little rubber piece out of the motor. So now we're gonna trim about a 1/4 inch to a 1/2 inch off of the rubber, stuff it back in, and see if it works. There's that little wire right there and the rubber piece, and that's what we're getting ready to trim off like a 1/4 inch. I'm trying really hard not to cut myself right now either. For reference, that's how much I cut off. Now we gotta take this little wire right here and push it as far back into the rubber wire. Then we gotta heat up that little metal piece and push this back into the motor, see if it fixed it. The seat is not yet back in. The seat back is broken. Piece of the little seatbelt cover is broken. The seatbelt itself is broken and the chair is not in yet. So I'm gonna go ahead and just finish this and not worry about filming it so I don't set the car on fire for a 3rd time. Whoo, see you guys in a minute. So the seat is definitely straighter, you guys can tell now. But I think the seat back is literally just broken on this bottom corner hinge here, because when somebody sits in it, it still turns a little bit, and it shouldn't do that. So that's a little bit better. Now we're gonna try to fix my door handle. I've tried this before and have not been able to get it. Let's see if we can get it. Yeah, I'm just kidding. I just tried for like 20 minutes, this didn't work. This is a little handle piece, and it's supposed to connect somewhere way up in here behind the door handle itself, but I'm just gonna leave it. It's been broken for a minute and I can still open the door. Yeah, we tried. We definitely tried. Honestly, wish I had more to do. Like, I wish I had more active content available to film. We're getting ready to go drop some stuff off. We're gonna pick up a coffee and then come back. This thing still does the death wobble, and you can hear like the window doesn't roll up. Like I need all of this fixed because I want to keep driving this thing. And then we're gonna wrap up today's video with the Q&A. And then that'll be it for today's video. Don't forget to tune in tonight to watch some Forza Horizon 5 live on Twitch. The link will be down in the bio below. If you are enjoying today's video, don't forget to like and don't forget to subscribe. Can I have a large iced white chocolate coffee?
Okay, will that be all?
Yes.
All right, the total's $5.84. I'll see you at the window.
Thank you so much. I hope they have Apple Pay because I just realized I do not have my wallet. Hey there.
That'll be $5.84 today.
Do you guys have Apple Pay by any chance? Okay, I forgot my wallet, so thank God.
Wait, can I hold your phone?
Absolutely,
okay,
yeah.
Thank you.
Thank God, chat, we're good. All right, we're doing a Emma Chamberlain segment to end off the video. First, we're gonna try my fucking iced coffee. Dude, it took them like 20 minutes to make the, well, probably like 10. But I was holding up the line. They're like, did you order the signature iced coffee? And I was like, I just ordered the white chocolate. Like, I don't know, man. But here we go. Ooh, that is good, dude. That is smacking. There's a little too much milk. It's more milk consistency than coffee. All right, into the Q&A we get. Question number one, future plans for the Skyline. That's a great question. So obviously we got to get it fixed. I promise you guys, I am still trying to get it fixed. It has broken every 2 weeks for like the last 5 or 6 months. So get it fixed, get it driving properly, dial in the fitment. From there, we're gonna move into body work. So we gotta fix the Bondo, we gotta fix the rust. From there, I should get the new kit in sometime around the end of this month. Put the new kit on, do all the body work, finish it, take it down to ATL to get sprayed by Uporino, I don't know. It's the guy with the E30. Him and Gray have been laying down some ice. Get it sprayed. We're going with Millennium Jade Green with white accents. So we got the white face micers, we got the white headlight cover, we're gonna do a white taillight cover. I'm gonna have Mike make a half cage. Wow, little half cage, it's gonna be white. And then from there I want like 1 or 2 big white decals on the front left, and then probably a mural or something white, just white die cut vinyl in the front and the rear. I think it's gonna be beautiful, dude. Realistically, this thing could be done by the end of the year. If not, then you know, by the end of January, assuming my kit gets here. Ty asks, am I pulling up to Simply Clean or Florida this weekend? No, I thought about it. I don't have the fun car. I was supposed to take Skyline. Plans fell apart. All my other friends that were supposed to be going are not going. Sounded good. I just don't think I want to try to take the wagon down there. I'd much rather just try to film something up here. It's like 8 hours, dude, and I don't know anybody that's going, so sadly no. Jake asks, what is the next YouTube car? That's a great question, dude. So obviously first we have to finish the Skyline. Next, I really want to build an E36, whether it's right-hand drive or just a shitter from here in the States. I'm not sure yet, but I want to put an E36 on its nuts. I want to slide it, you know, weld the diff, seat, coils, slide it, enjoy the shit out of it. If any of my friends want to slide it, let them slide it, just pay for tires or whatever. Either that or a GS, kind of tight money wise. I mean, I have savings, but I'm not trying to just blow through savings to build a car. So I might end up getting another job. The whole coilover thing isn't working as great as I thought. We're surviving right now. So I don't know, we'll see. If not an E36, if not a GS, then maybe like a 240, but they're like $8 billion, so I don't know. What is my streaming schedule? When do I be streaming? As of right now, I'm just keeping it weekdays, Monday through Friday. Generally, it's gonna be Forza Horizon 5 or Battlefield. So if that sounds like any fun to you guys, it's gonna be interesting to y'all, come on, join the Twitch, join the live, follow. We're almost at 50 followers as well, which is awesome. Dude, I'm gonna be grinding some Forza and grinding some Battlefield here in the next couple days. Lastly, we got the favorite phase of the Skyline, and as much as I hate to say it, dude, the best that thing has ever looked was on washers. It was, dude. It looks so great. If I could achieve that on coilovers, absolutely. But with my new kit getting here and it being more aggressive, I don't want to be really low. That's why we're going with the poked, raised, quote unquote, raised fitment. From a side, from a distance, it looks gorgeous. It looks like a great height. And especially once we get the kit on there, be kit low, we will be just fine. Yeah, dude, if I could hit a wow rewind button and just not care, I would go back to washers. Well, I'm going to leave it at that for right now. I hope you guys are having a wonderful Thursday. I'm probably going to go home edit this video, get ready to stream a little bit earlier tonight than normal. Just have a good night, man. I promise I'm always looking for new content, always trying to come up with new content. So if you guys have any recommendations or ideas, please be sure to let me know. And as I said earlier, don't forget to subscribe. Enjoy the rest of your Thursday. Thank you guys so much for watching. See you in the next one. Don't forget to subscribe.